this is a test. This is a test to see if if the audio is actually being recorded or not. Because a lot of times when I record, the audio is just straight up not there. So just in case if it is, yep, I'm going to play something. Maybe an obscure song or whatever. Alright, this is your left channel. Oh. But not too much because I don't want myself to get head striked. Alright. Your right channel. And your left channel too. And I'm not and I'm technically not finished though. Oh, and 1 minute. Alright, so get to the shorts first. Alright, so now we jump to the shorts. If the shorts option on YouTube even works, if it even works though. Which it doesn't. This is your right channel. In the actual song which this is from, that's it from here.